Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Looking at the bigger picture, we can see that the market is holding still above support at $162, one of the main support levels here at the moment on the daily time frame. I shared with you in previous updates that the market is probably in a so-called ending diagonal pattern, which started in August. So we are currently looking at potentially one more high. It would be ideal. I can already make a case for a long-term price top to have formed, but this is currently not preferred. This would be the white scenario where we say that the wave one, that in our preferred interpretation is still unfolding, actually already formed a price top here in January. This is the white wave one, but this is not preferred. Other alternative scenarios include the blue scenario, in which we get another high, but maybe after a deeper pullback first, as shown here in the blue scenario, that we are in a C wave down, which might still stretch a little bit lower. Eventually, it will be difficult to distinguish between the blue scenario and the yellow one, and overall it doesn't matter so much because all we do at the moment is on the smaller time frame to track the local downtrend. Then on the larger time frame, we're tracking relevant support levels where the price could turn around, but we need the smaller time frame to identify reversal patterns. So until we get a reversal pattern on the smaller time frame, there is no confirmed low in place anyway. But we've now reached an area, Fibonacci support, but also from an indicator point of view, where the price could turn around and see a bounce. In one of the last updates, I explained to you that over the coming sessions, I expect a rebound. Okay, we see one today, but it's not very substantial. But why do I expect the rebound? Well, first of all, this here now looks like a pretty much completed ABC structure to the downside in a wave 4. In addition to that, if we add the RSI, which is the relative strength index, I shared with you yesterday in one of our updates that this 30 level, is an oversold reading, and this doesn't happen very often, but when it happens, we typically see a strong bounce. That was the case in December. The price formed another low afterwards, but only a marginally lower low, and then showed a rally, and this is a so-called bullish divergence. It happened here before as well in August, very clearly. And then also it happened here before in April, and I could go back and find additional examples when the relative strength index, highlighted here on the chart in purple, reaches the 30 level or lower, then this is typically an area from where a larger bounce, a larger move to the upside could start. Doesn't mean it has to happen today, right? It could get a few more downside movements, adjustments, but overall it's looking pretty promising. So looking at the smaller time frame then, I mean, this price action on the smaller time frame can on the smaller time frame can shift quickly, but all we're doing at the moment is we track this downtrend, which looks visually complete. So we have a completed wave structure to the downside. That means all the requirements for this move to the downside are complete, and we reached an important Fibonacci support level. That doesn't mean, however, that we have to turn around, but that's why I'm tracking now upside, okay? Now, we could still get a bit of downside. This looks pretty corrective, which means it could just be something like a bearish flag or something which is developing here. We have to be ready for that, but we also know that at important key levels, sometimes these crypto charts, they start their rallies from extremely ugly structures. So it could very well be that this is turning into a reversal pattern. But what we need first is a 5-wave move. Well, we clearly don't have that. Should I get a 5-wave move that reaches around about $182 or higher, this would be our earliest reversal pattern to the upside. Then we will watch for a higher low, and then it could go to the upside. But really, I need a break minimally above $205.30 for a substantial signal that a low is in. That's what I'm going to watch for today. And over the coming sessions, this green line needs to be broken. Yeah, that's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on our main channel MCO Global. This is our new main channel where all of the international communities come together. I uploaded a video about Solana 2 days ago. It is a long-term video in which we also cover really the overall over several cycles. Yeah, we take a look at the outlook over several cycles. Was one of the most popular videos on this channel. Check it out. The link to this channel is in the video description. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.